This is the key for my 2007 NC MX-5 or Miata. It's an NC1, and this is the key that came with it. Now, if you have a newer NC MX-5, you're gonna have a key that looks something like this, but I'll come back to this in just a moment. So I'm gonna show you 2 mods that you absolutely should consider doing to your key because it's gonna make it a whole lot easier to live with. Mod number 1 is adding a split ring so that you can attach this to your favorite keychain. I use a little carabiner like this to bundle all my keys together, and each set of keys is on its own ring, so I can take it off whenever I want. So with this split ring, I can now add this to my carabiner, and I can pull it off whenever I want. The second mod, by the way, I'm not really sure why I'm calling these mods. They're not even mods, they're more like add-ons. Anyways, the second mod is this. It's a silicone cover or case that fits snugly and conforms to the shape of your key. It's even got the buttons embossed in it and a little cutout over here for the button to take the key out, and on the other side it's got a cutout for the logo. Now the bottom side actually has the exact same shape as this, so it's got like this bar down the middle of that hole, and I've just cut that out with a pair of scissors. So now it's a whole lot easier to just slip this through with the split ring on, and whenever I need to change the battery, I can just pull it out, change the battery, and slip it back in. So you just make sure it's lined up the right way, and you slide it in, and you feed the split ring through, and boom, it's on. And because it's made of silicone, it's got just enough grip so that it's not gonna fall out. It's nice and secure, and I can even press the buttons with the case on, just like that. I can press it right through the case. And I know where all the buttons are because it's marked right there on the case. And the black color is a bonus because it looks discreet. Now, what do you do if you have a key like this? By the way, this is not for my Miata. This is for my 2008 Mazda MPV. It's a minivan that was only sold in a few Asian markets, but never in North America. Now, for all those people that call the NC a boat, I'd be curious as to what they call this thing. Anyways, back on topic. What do you do if you have a key like this? Well, just like how you can get a silicone case and a split ring on this type of key, you can get one for this type of key. Now, everything I've talked about in this video is linked in the description below. They are affiliate links, so if you happen to use those to buy yourself one, I will get a bit of a kickback, so thank you in advance. So I managed to find silicone cases on Amazon just like this, with split rings included, and I also found silicone cases for this type of key with split rings included. And again, those are linked in the description below. Make sure you check them out. Anyways, I hope that helps. Keep your keys safe and protected. The worst thing about damaging or losing these is not the cost of replacing them, but it's being stranded.